Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix song not allowed for use in Geometry Dash. So step number one is you have to identify the error. So when you encounter the song not allowed for use error, it means the song has been restricted by the artist on the Newgrounds. So don't worry, there's a workaround. So just a pro tip, this error is common with popular songs that artists have restricted. So next is open Geometry Dash settings and look for the songs folder location option. So just take note this path you will need to navigate here to manually add the song file. Next is open the File Explorer for Windows or Finder and for Mac. And just navigate to the Geometry Dash songs folder and you will see any songs you've already downloaded as MP3 files. Next is go to newgrounds.com, find the song and download the MP3 file directly. Rename it to match the song ID that Geometry Dash expects, then replace it in the songs folder. Lastly is restart Geometry Dash or refresh the level, and the song should now load successfully. So you can now play the level with the custom song as intended. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!